Welcome back. Let's get you this quick breaking update. No surprises for guessing. Omar Abdullah will be the next Chief Minister of Jammu and Kashmir. That is a declaration now that has come in from his father, the NC Chief, Farooq Abdullah Saab. In fact, he makes this very clear that it has to be my son who's going to be the Chief Minister. Yamar, you know, this isn't a surprise, but at a point where, you know, elsewhere in the country, there is a lot of conversation about what people want. You know, the NC still continues to be one of those dynastic parties. Do they have absolutely no other options?
Well, exactly today, after the Omar Abdullah conceded victory in the Badgam seat, the Farooq Abdullah, party patron of the National Conference, has clarified that the Omar Abdullah will be the party's, chief minister candidate, which is in the alliance with the Indian National Congress, because there's a huge margin that's been witnessed all across. Now, remember that there were a lot of the speculations roaming around that who will be the chief minister face for this alliance. Will the Indian National Congress sort this sheet sharing, or they will seek the CM post? But somehow today all of a sudden Farooq Abdullah said that the Omar is going to be the...
Yes, Yawar, allow me a moment. We also have a reaction that's just coming in from Farooq Abdullah.
कायम रहना चाहिए, सच ही हमें आगे ले जाएगा और मीडिया आज़ाद होगा इंशाअल्लाह, और मीडिया लिखेगा। मगर सिर्फ एक चीज़ मैं मीडिया से गुजारिश करूँगा, नफरतों को नहीं दिखाना है। हमने मोहब्बतें बढ़ानी है, हिंदू मुसलमान में एतबार पैदा करना है, वही सबसे बड़ी चीज़ है। जी हाँ, ये बहुत ज़रूरी है। इसमें मुझे उम्मीद है कि हमारे जो गठबंधन के लोग हैं, जो इंडियन अलायंस है, वो हमारे साथ इसके लिए बराबर की जंग लड़ेंगे कि स्टेटहुड जल्दी से जल्दी यहाँ पे वापस आया जाए।
हरियाणा में कांग्रेस आज भी होगी।
मुझे अफसोस है इस बात का, बेहद अफसोस है, क्योंकि वो जीतना हमें पूरा पता था वो जीतेंगे, मगर मेरे ख्याल से इंटरनल डिस्प्यूट जो उनमें थे उसने टोल दिखाया है।
सीएम कैंडिडेट की सूरत में हम किसको देखेंगे? सीएम कैंडिडेट
मैं समझता हूँ उमर अब्दुल्ला जो है वो सीएम बनेंगे।
थैंक यू वेरी मच।
ओके, लास्ट का सवाल इस वही सेज कि मुझे लगता है कि मेरे बेटे जो हैं Omar Abdullah वही बनेंगे मुख्यमंत्री. But remember, he also has a message for the India Alliance. He also has a message for the Congress. I want to quickly get in Sujata, who hasn't spoken till now. Sujata, thank you so much for your patience. What do you believe are the biggest takeaways? You know, you're looking at that have come in both from Haryana and Jammu and Kashmir. And do you believe that this could have a far-reaching consequence now in the upcoming elections in Maharashtra and Jharkhand, Sujata?
Thank you, Deepti. Yes, I was happily waiting, eating jalebis. Those were freshly tade hue, coming from the halwai, not the frozen ones, you know. And I'm sending a few to all the panelists as well. Have jalebi, okay? So first, let's talk about Haryana. I think few things are very clear that Kisan, Pahalwan, Jawan, दूध का दूध पानी का पानी कहते हैं कि हरियाणा में लोग मरोड़ निकाल देते हैं, तो वहां पे दूध का दूध पानी का पानी कर दिया है. They know the real Kisan, real Jawan, real Pahalwan is with BJP. People have not forgotten the Kharchi Parchi ki sarkar. I will draw a parallel of the Jungle Raj of Bihar once existed and the Haryana Kharchi Parchi sarkar. You know, whoever has lived under that era, will never vote for Congress. That's one thing. So that has gone against them. That's number one. Another thing is that, of course, this reservation and BJP Samvidhan Khatre mein and all of that. I think Kaat ki Handi bar nahi chadti. Same propaganda you cannot go on repeating. People have seen, and that's why they have given a clear mandate. Haryana has never given a confused mandate.
Yes.
They have given a decisive mandate. This time also they are very, very decisive.
Yes, and there is this particular thing, Pranesh, that goes on, that whoever rules the center usually rules Haryana. We had seen the Prime Minister also making this reference. We'll quickly head into a break, but on the other side, this conversation, this discussion, and our best newsmakers continue. So don't go anywhere.